Welcome back to Century Tech, your go-to source for all things tech-related. Today, we're diving deep into the hardware of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Let's kick things off with a rumored feature that has everyone buzzing. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is rumored to flaunt a premium titanium chassis, akin to what we've seen in the Apple iPhone 15 Pro models. That's right, expect a sleek and durable build that exudes luxury.
Hey, now, when it comes to the display, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is making strides with a potential 6.65-inch screen. That's a slight but noticeable upgrade from the S23's 6.6-inch screen. And guess what? The other two models are expected to follow suit with minor size enhancements of their own. Now, let's talk about processing power. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the star of the show here. It's rumored to feature the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering top-tier performance. However, other models might be limited to the Exynos 2400 chipset, depending on the region. Software-wise, you can expect the Samsung Galaxy S24 series to run on the latest Android 14-based ONUI 6 custom skin right out of the box. This means a smooth and customized user experience tailored to your needs. But here's the real camera excitement. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to boast an impressive 200-megapixel primary camera, along with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens and a 10-megapixel periscope lens on the back. Get ready for stunning photography and videography capabilities. Now, for the battery enthusiasts among us, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to pack a massive 5100 mAh battery, ensuring you have power to spare throughout the day. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Plus might come with a battery unit ranging between 4900 mAh to 5000 mAh, catering to your energy needs. And there you have it, a sneak peek at the exciting hardware details of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Stay tuned to Century Tech for more in-depth coverage as we approach the official launch. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.